question number 36 is little tricky question. Okay, so little tricky question, so you have to really understand what the question means here. So given a restaurant sells a jar of rasgulla after allowing two successive discounts of 5% and 10% on it, find the profit percent if the profit is 20% of the price by which the jar of rasgulla is marked up. So here in this case now, suppose the marked price is x, because discount is always given with respect to marked price. Discount of 10%, so first time 10% discount and give 0.9x, and then next time 5% discount. So 5% discount, it means minus 0.045x. So 5% is 0.045x. So now here it comes out to be finally 0.855x. So marked price x है, यानी selling price क्या है? Selling price is 0.855x. Let cost price equals to y. अब देखो प्रॉफिट क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट इज गिवन बाय सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस, सो 0.855x माइनस y. तो ये पहला आपका प्रॉफिट हो गया. एज वेल एज गिवन फाइंड द प्रॉफिट इफ द प्रॉफिट इज 20% ऑफ द प्राइस बाय विच जार ऑफ रसगुल्ला इज मार्क्ड अप. यानी जो प्रॉफिट है ना, उसकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू किसके इक्विवेलेंट है? प्रॉफिट के न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 20% ऑफ द प्राइस बाय विच इट इज मार्क्ड अप. तो price which is marked up means what? Cost price के respect में, with respect to cost price, how much higher the shopkeeper has marked. So that is the difference of marked price and cost price. So here in this case, so profit numerical value is given 20% of the difference of x and y, 20% of x minus y. So now equating both, 0.855x minus y equals to 20 by 100 into x minus y. So now all of you, after solving it, we get 0.655x equals to 1.2 y. So 0.655x equals to 1/2 y. Now profit percent, अब देखो profit percent तो हमेशा किसके बराबर होता है? Profit percent is always equal to profit. तो profit is how much? Profit is 0.855x minus y upon cost price. So cost price is y into 100%. So now here you solve it, you get it. Okay, so you solve it to find out the value. अब यहाँ पे देखो 0.855x minus y की जगह ना यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हो? 20/100, क्योंकि इस टर्म्स में इफ यू स्टार्ट एक्सप्रेसिंग ना, सो इट कैन बिकम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. तो इसकी जगह ऐसे भी कर सकते हो 20/100 x minus y upon y into 100%. Okay, so now here in this case, this way also you can just solve it. So 20/100 into x minus y, so you solve it, you know. अब देखो इसमें 2y है 1x है, so just at the place of 1x you replace it 1.2y upon 0.655. So solve करना. So after solving it you get 16.67%. So 16.6%. Now here in this case, अब ध्यान देना, all of you just remember total number of voter size 15,000, because given two candidates participated in an election constituency where total electorate size was 15,000. Winner got 52% of the total valid votes while Nota got 24% of the total valid votes. 1500 votes were declared as invalid if 500 people did not cast their vote. The number of valid votes that the losing candidate got was. So now here in this case ये 15,000 है. So now here अब 5500 people did not cast, तो 5500 तो आ ही नहीं, and 1500 invalid हो गए, 1500 invalid हो गए, बचे कितने? So now 7000 subtract 8000. Now here winner got 52% of the valid votes. So 100% में से जितने valid votes हैं, total valid votes 8000, इसमें से 52% winner मिला. 24% नोटा, सो 100 में से 24% गया, दैट इज 76%, एंड 76% में से विनर एंड लूजर, विनर 52%, so now 76% में से winner is receiving 52%, then the number of votes that the losing candidate got, so loser got how much, that is 76 minus 52, that is 24% of total number of valid votes, that is 8000, calculate कर लो, you get 1920. now next question, अदो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ना, इसको रीड इट स्लोली, प्यार से पढ़ना समझना, बिकॉज यू हैव टू फ्रेम द इक्वेशन. सो लेंदी स्टेटमेंट है, लेंदी स्टेटमेंट में स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स काइंड ऑफ प्रोन टू कमिट एरर. हियर भानु's present age is 60% of Subham's present age of Akash is 4/7 of the Subham's present age. If sum of the difference in the ages of Subham and Akash and the difference in the age of Subham, Bhanu is 29 years, find the ages of Subham 5 years later. तो अब यहाँ पे भानु है, शुभम है, आकाश. एज अगर इफ द एज ऑफ शुभम इज x, तो एज ऑफ भानु क्या होगा, 60% ऑफ x, दैट इज 0.6x, एंड आकाश की एज क्या हो गई, 4/7 x. इफ सम ऑफ द डिफरेंस, अब ध्यान से, सम ऑफ द डिफरेंस इन द एजेस ऑफ शुभम एंड आकाश, शुभम एंड आकाश इनके एज का डिफरेंस क्या होगा, x minus 4/7x, एंड the difference in ages of Subham and Bhanu, Subham and Bhanu के एज का डिफरेंस क्या हो गया, x minus 0.6x. this sum is given equal to 29, this sum is given equal to 29. now when this sum is given equal to 29 now, then after solving it you will get, देखो 3/7x है plus 0.4x equals to 29 ना, सॉल्व करना, x equals to 35 आ गया, x is 35, so 5 years later एज क्या हो जाएगी, 35 plus 5, शुभम एज इट इज आस्किंग 35 plus 5 40. 39th क्वेश्चन, अब ये प्योर कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस यू गेट प्योर कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. देयरफॉर आई ऑलवेज आस्क कि कैलकुलेशन प्रैक्टिस करना, क्योंकि इसमें कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. इफ योर कैलकुलेशन स्पीड इज गुड ना, यू कैन विदिन 1.5 minute you can solve this question, और कंफर्म आंसर आएगा ना इसमें. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इसमें 100% कंफर्मिटी रहती है. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इक्वेशन इज गिवन. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ p is 34 then the value of q will be, it means here 625 into 34 plus 452 into 20 equals to q%, that is q upon 100 into 43500. okay, so it means after solving it you check whether you are getting 68.4, the value of q as 68.4. अब solve करना, you won't get the value of q as 68.4. it means the first one is what, wrong. second one, if the value of q is 60, अब second के basis पे q 60 value of p will be, तो q 60 है, so 625p plus 452 into 20 is q% of, q% of that is 60 upon 100 into 43500. अभी ये सॉल्व करो, आफ्टर सॉल्विंग इट सी वेदर द वैल्यू ऑफ p you are getting 26.1, नहीं आएगा, p 26.1 you don't get, so this one is also wrong. Here neither first nor second wrong. This one is easy as well as very common question of the average, that Surbhi is enrolled in a test series of 17 tests for a competitive exam. 75 is the average of marks she got in the test series. The average marks of the first 9 papers and that of last 9 papers is given. Find the marks obtained by Surbhi in the 9th paper. So ये common question है, everyone कोई भी average का question किया definitely must have solved such question. So now 17 tests हैं, average, overall average क्या है, overall average is 75, so total क्या होगा, 75 into 17. फर्स्ट 9 पेपर्स का 87 है, फर्स्ट 9 पेपर 87 यानी कि टोटल कितना होगा, 87 into 9, and that of last 9 papers is 63, last 9 papers is 63, सो 63 इंटू 9, सो लास्ट 9 पेपर्स आपको क्या हो गया 63 इंटू 9। फाइंड द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय सुरभि इन द 9th पेपर। अब देखो इस टाइप के पेपर में टोटल 17 है ना, सो फर्स्ट 9 लास्ट 9, तो ये मिडिल वन, दिस वन इज काउंटेड ट्वाइस। सो इसमें दो ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं, इधर मिडिल वन विल बी काउंटेड ट्वाइस और मिडिल वन विल बी नॉट काउंटेड, फर्स्ट 8 पेपर्स लास्ट 8 पेपर्स। तब उस केस में क्या करोगे, टोटल में से फर्स्ट 8 लास्ट 8 का सम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, मिडिल वैल्यू यू विल गेट। नाउ हियर इन दिस केस अब दिस वन विल बी काउंटेड ट्वाइस ना, so total 87 into 9 plus 63 into 9, from this you subtract 75 into 17, whatever value you will get that will be the answer। वैसे देखो यहाँ पे एक इंटरेस्टिंग शॉर्टकट है, 9 पेपर्स हैं, 9 पेपर्स हैं, ओके, ओवरऑल एवरेज क्या है ना, ओवरऑल एवरेज 17 का 75 है, 87 है फर्स्ट 9 का, 63 है लास्ट 9 का, कॉमन क्या है मिडिल में। तो नाउ हियर इन दिस केस डेफिनेटली द डिफरेंस इज इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, दैट इज 24 इज इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, 24 by 2 दैट इज 12, सो 87 minus 12 और 63 plus 12 75। तो ये तभी अप्लाई करना जब कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर हो, न्यूमेरिकल कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर हो कि 87 था 63 था, इनका एवरेज भी तो 75 आता, ओवरऑल एवरेज भी 75 है और मिडिल वन ही कॉमन है, नंबर ऑफ पेपर सेम है, तो यस 75 ही हो जाएगा। ये तभी करना, ऐसे मत करना, ऐसे वो जनरल मेथड कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखो, दैट इज ऑल्सो ईजियर। सो नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन हियर, when 3 dice are rolled simultaneously what is the probability of getting a sum equal to 12? तो आपको sum equal to 12, so अब here when 3 dice, अब तो 3 dice में फर्स्ट डाइस में 1 to 6 है नंबर, सेकंड 1 to 6 है, थर्ड पे 1 to 6 है। सो नाउ हियर इन दिस केस प्रोबेबिलिटी में, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ऑकरिंग एन इवेंट ए जैसे मान लिया, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, सबसे पहले पॉसिबल आउटकम, सो 3 डाइसेस हैं, तो इसमें देखो ऑप्शन भी क्लियर है कि 3 डाइसेस हैं, तो आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स क्या हो जाएंगे 6 क्यूब, ओके, एंड देन फेवरेबल आउटकम। अब फेवरेबल आउटकम क्या हो जाते हैं, फेवरेबल आउटकम आपको हियर इन दिस केस, अब देखो इसमें ना सबसे इजी क्या है कि जस्ट टेक 3 डाइसेस है ना, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, सो स्टार्टिंग जैसे अगर फर्स्ट पे 1 है, सेकंड पे भी 1, थर्ड पे भी 1, 1 + 1 + 1 3, नहीं 1 1, मैक्सिमम थर्ड का लेते हैं 6, तब देन ऑल्सो 1 + 1 + 6 8, सो व्हाट कैन बी द सम, सो 1 + 5, सेकंड पे 5, थर्ड पे 6, so first one being 1 1 5 6 or 1 6 5, these are the two possibilities only where sum can be 12, other where 2 है, so 2 पे अब देखो यहाँ 5 से था ना, 1 पे 5 था, तो यहाँ 2 4 6 2 5 5 and 2 6 4, now here these are the favorable outcomes, so in this manner just you count कि 1 लेके फर्स्ट पे, 2 लेके सेकंड पे, थर्ड पे 3, फोर्थ पे 4, ऐसे करके कर लो, so it won't take that much time। and again अब यहाँ पे आंसर क्या होगा, एकदम श्योर सर्टेनिटी आएगी, क्योंकि वैसे भी फेवरेबल आउटकम देख रहे हो, दे आर टू फार, 16 है, 9 है, 25 है, 49 है, सो इसके क्वेश्चन को तो डेफिनेटली अटेम्प्ट करो। So if you count properly you get 25 favorable outcomes, so 25 upon 6 cubed, it is 216। Next question, examiner has to frame a test consisting of 12 questions from our question bank, subject wise breakup of this bank, select question from that the test would have an equal number of questions from all the tests। so, कितने टेस्ट क्वेश्चन है आपको, 1 2 3 4 5 6, सब 6 हैं, तो एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 4 3 5 2 4 2, सम करो 20। सो नाउ अगेन probability you have to find out, so in probability अब डिनोमिनेटर में total number of possible outcomes, so total number of question is 20, out of 20 how many questions you have to select, 12 questions। अब देखो टेस्ट होना चाहिए 12 क्वेश्चंस का, टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 20 हैं, सो आउट ऑफ 20 क्वेश्चंस इन हाउ मेनी वेज यू कैन सेलेक्ट 12 क्वेश्चंस। तब देखो कभी भी सिलेक्शन होता है, टीम फॉर्म होता है, क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाना, सो देयर वी अप्लाई कॉम्बिनेशन कॉन्सेप्ट, अरेंजमेंट में परम्यूटेशन, selection में combination. So out of 20 questions total in how many ways? 20C 12. And then favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes first में, so 12 questions and equal number of questions from each test, यानी कि 6 total subjects हैं, तो 2 each. So from each you have to select 2. So 4C2 into 3C2 into 5C2 into 2C2 into 4C2 into 2C2. Question number 47, statement follow conclusion, read all the conclusion, decide which of the conclusion logically follows. तो coded inequality या फिर inequality, so you have to just look at the equation. अब इसमें क्या करते हो आप, equation देखते हो, इसमें actual question आपका ये 47th है, b यहाँ पे greater than or equal to o है, okay, b greater than equal to o equals to m less than a, j equals to g greater than u greater than p equals to a. Conclusion, 2 conclusions are given. First is a less than j, so we'll take that statement where a and j both are there. So now here second one, j is g greater than u, so j greater than u greater than p, so j greater than p, and p equals to a, so definitely j greater than a. So j greater than a means a less than j. Yes, first conclusion is valid. Second one, b less than g. अब b less than g, so now here in this case, अब देखो ये a है ना, यहाँ पे here between a and b, अब ध्यान देना, now here in this case between a and b less than भी आ गया, greater than or equal to भी आ गया. So b and a में less than or equal to, greater than or equal to b, opposite signs आ गए. जैसे ही the moment you get the opposite signs, नहीं तो opposite direction signs means no conclusion you can. So if you cannot conclude anything between b and a na, so definitely between b and g also you cannot conclude anything. So second conclusion will not follow. So second conclusion does not follow, so answer will be your first conclusion only follows. Now next question, question number 48. So in question number 48, a greater than or equal to e less than j less than or equal to b and so on. Conclusion, p greater than e. So now all of you, p greater than e. Now here in this case e is here, p is here. Now between e and p you have less than equal to as well as greater than. So opposite direction sign आ गए. The moment you get opposite direction sign, it means you cannot conclude anything. Gone. E less than or equal to n. Other e is less than z and z is less than or equal to b. It means e will be less than b. And b is less than or equal to n, it means e is less than n. So e less than n will be the conclusion, not e less than or equal to n. याद रखना, conclusion क्या होगा, e less than n. So here in this case neither first nor second conclusion. Study the following information and answer the questions given below. So here direction sense test in the form of code. Z x copyright z means x is 10 meter east to z, x w z means x is 4 meter south, x percent z means x is 8 meter west to z, x y equal to z means x is 10 meter north to z, x at the rate z means x is 12 meter west to z. If home at the rate school w playground percent market holds true, then which find in which direction is home with respect to garden. अब देखो home at the rate school, home at the rate school, so home at the rate school, home at the rate school means home is 12 meter west to school. So अगर आपका school यहाँ पे है, so home is 12 meter west. So home क्या है, 12 meter west. वही I am taking just conventional north south east west. Okay, so home is 12 meter west to school. School w playground, school w playground means school is 4 meter south to playground. school is 4 meter south to playground, it means playground will be what, 4 meter north to school. So playground 4 meter. Then playground percent market, playground percent market means playground is 4 meter west to market, playground is 4 meter west, 8 meter west to market. So playground west to market, so 8 meter west to market. And market y garden means market is 10 meter north to garden. So market is 10 meter north to garden. So you have to find out which direction is home with respect to garden. अब garden के respect में home किस direction, इस direction में. तो देखो we have taken this one as north, this one as west. क्या हो गया, north west ये हो गया. North west. This is easy question. Okay, just read the question properly, you can solve it. Now all of you, next one, find the odd one out. So now here given, actually अब देखो यहाँ पे you have to find out the relation between first and second term, first and second term, first and second term. So actually relation is 3 into 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 1 we get 7. So 3 and 7, 7 is to 43, 7 into 7 minus 1, that is 7 into 6, 42, plus 1, that is 43. 9 is to 74, that is, so 9 into 9 minus 1 plus 1. So 9 into 8, 72, 72 plus 1 is 73. Here we are getting 74. It means this one can be wrong. एक बार last में भी check कर लो कि हाँ pattern यही है ना. So 11 into 11 minus 1, that is plus 1. 11 into 10, 110 plus 1, 111. Yes, it means which one is wrong? Option C is wrong. 15th August 1947 was Sunday. Then what would be the day on 26th of January 2023? Now here all of you, I'll just give you the hint. Please keep one thing in mind. Yep. Whenever you have to count the number of days in between, तो अब calendar में entire concept revolves around odd days, क्योंकि 7 days का 1 week, and after 1 week you know you get definitely 1 day. देखो normally in a year 365 days होते हैं ना, so 365 days में finally कितने odd days होते हैं? 365 days means 52 complete weeks and 1 odd day. So 52 complete weeks and 1 odd day. And leap year में, in a leap year there are how many odd days? So leap year में आपको कितने odd days होते हैं? 352 complete weeks plus 2 days, 2 odd days. So ऐसे normal year में 1 odd day, leap year में 2 odd days. So अब here in this case, अब देखो in 100 year ना, अब देखो याद रखना general concept leap year का क्या होता है? Every 4th year is a leap year ना. Every 4th year, yes, it is a leap year, but any century will be a leap year only if it is a multiple of 400. देखो century 4 से multiple होगा, लेकिन if it is a multiple of 400 then only it will be a leap year. Means जैसे year 2000 है ना, year 2000 is multiple, 2000 is perfectly divisible by 4, 2000 is a multiple of 400, 2000 is multiple of 4 तो होगा ही होगा, 2000 is also multiple of 400. Since 2000 is multiple of 400 यानी 2000 divisible है 400 से, तो year 2000 therefore was a leap year. लेकिन अभी जब year 2100 आएगा ना, so those of you who will live by 2100, ध्यान देना कि 2100 आपका क्या होगा? It will not be a leap year. 4 से divisible है, but 400 से divisible नहीं है. 2100, 400 यानी आपको लीप ईयर नहीं होगा। तो 2096 के बाद जो नेक्स्ट लीप ईयर, that next leap year which you will get, it will be 2104. It means that time there will be a gap of 8 years, okay, leap year. So normally अब क्या करोगे, here in this case 47, so 15th August 47 से 31st of December 1947 you find out total number of odd days. Now in each year of 48 onwards, 48 onwards, 48 याद रखना, 48 is your multiple of, यानी कि 1948 multiple of 4 है, यानी कि वो leap year होगा, that will be a leap year. 49 to 2000, year 49 to 2000 there are 52 years. 49 to 2000 52 years. In 52 years how many multiple of 4, because I am considering 2000, अब पता है कि 2000 was a leap year, so कितने multiple of 4 होंगे, 13. So 13 plus year 1948, 13 plus 1, that is 14 leap year. So 14 into 2, 28 odd days we will get from the leap year. जैसे 28 days हुआ ना, 28 days means what, complete weeks हो गए 4, तो odd days एक तरह से क्या हो गया, 0. We know number of odd days cannot be 7 or more than 7, so यहाँ पे एक तरह it becomes 0 odd day. And then remaining, how many years are remaining now, 39 years. अब 39 years में we are getting how many odd days, 39 into 1, that is 39 odd days. अब इस 39 odd days में how many odd days we will get, finally 4 odd days. Okay. Similarly you check from 2001 to 2022, 2001 to 2022 there are how many leap years, आपको 5 leap years हैं, and there are 17 normal years. So 5 leap years में 5 into 2, that is 10 odd days, that is finally you get 3 odd days. And in remaining 17, 17 into 1, 17 days, so 17 days में again you get 3 odd days. So here till here you count the number of odd days, and then from 1st of January से 1st of January to 26th of January you count the number of odd days. Now remember, while counting the number of days between two dates now, if you are including 15th August, then you won't have to include 26th of January. You include only one day. So while counting the number of days, you include only one day. So here you count the number of days, here you count the number of odd days. So finally आपको number of odd days which you get, total odd days आपको finally you get as 6 odd days. Okay. So 6 odd days, so you move 6 days ahead, that is Saturday. So बस ये कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखना, जैसे मंथ में, अब जस्ट आई एम गिविंग हिंट कि मंथ में आपको अगर 15th अगस्त आप इंक्लूड नहीं कर रहे तो अगस्त में कितने डेज होते हैं, 31 ना, सो 15 डेज गॉन, तो 16 डेज में कितने ऑड डेज मिले, 2 ऑड डेज. फिर सितंबर में 30 डेज यानी 2 ऑड डेज, अक्टूबर 31 डेज 3 ऑड डेज, नवंबर 30 डेज 2 ऑड डेज, दिसंबर 31 डेज 3 ऑड डेज. जस्ट यू सम द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज, सब नंबर ऑफ ऑड डेज ऐड करो एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली यू फाइंड आउट. Given a clock gains 7 seconds for every 4 minutes. If the clock started working at 10 a.m. in the morning, then what would be the time in the wrong clock at 7 p.m. on the same day? So 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. it is, what is the total time period in between? So 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So 10 a.m. to 12 noon and then 7, that is 9 hours. So in 9 hours total how many minutes? 9 into 60 minutes. And in 9 into 60 minutes, how many group of 4 minutes will be there? So 9 into 60 upon 4, 9 into 15, that is 135, and this clock it gains 7 seconds. So अब 7 seconds gain करता तो 135, यानी 4 minutes के how many these groups will be there? 135. So now in every 4 minutes it gains 7 seconds. So total what will be the total time gain? Total time gain will be equal to 135 into 7 seconds. So all of you total time gain, you take 135 into 7 seconds, so you get how much? 945 seconds. And 945 seconds, when you convert it in terms of minute, so 945 सेकेंड में देखो 900 सेकेंड 600 सेकेंड यानी 10 मिनट्स, 900 सेकेंड 15 मिनट्स, सो 15 मिनट्स कंप्लीट एंड देन 45 सेकेंड, यानी 15 मिनट्स एंड 45 सेकेंड. इट मीन्स आपका जो दिस रॉन्ग क्लॉक विल बी, नाउ दिस रॉन्ग क्लॉक विल बी 15 मिनट 45 सेकेंड्स अहेड. तो टाइम क्या हो जाएगा? 7, एग्जैक्ट टाइम है 7 PM, so it will show 7:15:45. Now how this 57, how many such pair of distinct letters are there in the word blueberry, each of which has as many letters in between them in the word as they have in the English alphabet? It means in this word you have to just find out. अब आपको क्या करना है? In this word you have to just find out कि how many such letters are there in which the gap क्या है? is same as that of the actual one, as that of the actual in the alphabetical series. यानी alphabetical series आपका A to Z, in that series whatever is the difference between, जैसे for example B and D में difference, अगर B and D है तो B and D में difference क्या होता है? B in between you have one letter gap, or you can say the difference is 2. So the same manner you have to see just B and L is the same exact, is the difference between them exactly same as that in the alphabetical series? No. So all of you here you check. So one pair you get of B and E. So B and E, here you have two letters L and U. Actual alphabetical series में भी A B C D E. So between B and E you get 2, that is C and D. And then next is your L and R. So now here L and R. So how many letters are there? Because L and 2 are now M N O P Q R. So now here this is another pair. This is another pair we are getting in which the number of letters between them is same as that in the alphabetical series. Now none other. आप ऐसे देख लो, you have to, this one is very easy. You V W X Y, no, R Y, 2 less gap here. So we get only 2 such group. Which one of the above figure embedded in it? So now here in this case all of you just see ये जो लाइन है आपको ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन फिर ऐसे कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है ही नहीं. No, here no, here this is there, but what about this line? Do we have such line? No. So only this one remaining. Yes, this is there. So complete. This is very easy, very simple question. Directly can see. And embedded means what? Which is inside it. There are next question given. There are 2 numbers, basic simple calculation based question. There are 2 numbers. 35% of the first number is equal to 65% of the second. If average of both numbers is 24 less than the first number, then find 75% of the second number. See, I'll frame the equation. Just solve it. Do the calculation based question. 2 numbers are x and y. So 35% of x equals to 65% of y. So any 35 upon 100 into x equals to 65 by 100 into y. 100 gone. 7 13. 7x equals to 13y. Okay. And then if the average of both numbers, will be what? X plus y by 2. This is 24 less than the first number. It is equal to x minus 24. So you solve it. So x plus y equals to 2x minus 48. So now find the 75% of the second number. So here in this case you just solve it to find out the value of x and y, and then you find out the 75% of the second number. So second number y है आपका. So y here in this case, so y after solving it, y you will get 56. So 75% of 56 क्या आ जाएगा? You will get 42. 60 question. Consider the given question and two statements given below. How much time does the boat take in moving 15 km upstream? Statement first. The boat covers 18 km downstream in 1.5 hours. देखो, this is data sufficiency question. अब data sufficiency में you don't have to find out the actual answer. You have to just check whether the given data is sufficient to find out the answer or not. But कई बार ना, many a times you have to solve it. You have to check whether you're getting the value or not. So here in this case question, how much time? Upstream 15 km में boat will take what time? First statement है the boat covers 18 km downstream in 1.5 hours. So in data sufficiency what you do? आप क्या करते हो? पहले आप चेक करते हो कि whether each statement alone is sufficient or not. अगर alone sufficient है you leave it. If alone they are not sufficient then you combine them. So first one 18 km downstream. Only 18 km downstream you know in 1.5 hours. No relation between speed of boat, speed of stream, anything else is given. This data alone is not sufficient. Second क्या है? Speed of boat in still water is 3/8 of the speed of boat downstream. अब देखो भी इंटरेस्टिंग है. जनरली क्या होता है कि जनरली व्हाट यू से स्पीड ऑफ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर, यानी कि बोट की स्पीड जो है स्टिल वाटर में सेम है इज 3/8 ऑफ द स्पीड ऑफ द बोट डाउन स्ट्रीम. ओके, यानी स्पीड ऑफ बोट अगर x है so it will be 3/8 of speed of boat downstream. So x plus y is the speed of stream. Now here आपको लगेगा कि now this statement alone is also not sufficient, but एक चीज चेक करो. 8x equals to 3x plus 3y, 5x equals to 3y. अब देखो x equals to 3/5y, यानी now here in this case अब आपको जो स्पीड है बोट की, द स्पीड ऑफ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर इट इज लेस देन द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. जब बोट की स्पीड जो है स्ट्रीम से लेस रहेगी ना तो अप स्ट्रीम मीन्स अगेंस्ट, जैसे ये डायरेक्शन है स्ट्रीम का, दिस इज द बोट. अब स्पीड स्ट्रीम की अगर जो है फास्ट है इन कंपैरिजन टू द स्पीड ऑफ द बोट, तो बोट कभी ऊपर चढ़ ही नहीं पाएगा. और दिस डायरेक्शन में है जैसे लाइक दिस, so ऐसे ले लो प्लेन. so if this is the direction of stream, this is the boat. so if the speed of this stream is faster than the speed of boat in still water, तो बोट कभी आगे बढ़ेगा ही नहीं, पीछे ही चलता चलेगा. it means that never, यानी कि how much time does the boat take in moving 15 km upstream? 15 km upstream, this boat will never reach 15 km. Never ever it can cover this distance. Okay, so it means yes, this data is now sufficient, because you can definitely say never. देखो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? डेफिनेट होना चाहिए. हाउ मच टाइम? तो नेवर, कभी नहीं. ये डेफिनेट आंसर है. कितना टाइम पूछ रहा है? सो नाउ यू कैन डायरेक्टली से नेवर इट विल रीच. yes, this data alone is sufficient. all of you, data sufficiency concept very important. कितना टाइम पूछ रहा है? तो नेवर इज द डेफिनेट आंसर ना, कि कभी नहीं. देखो कभी कभी में ना एग्जैक्ट टाइम फाइंड आउट करना, कभी नहीं में मीन्स नेवर. दिस इज ऑल्सो द आंसर, डेफिनेट आंसर. सो सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट अलोन इज सफिशियंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगेन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बिट लेंथी क्वेश्चन but not that tough question. Okay, a fire suppression system is installed in a building which detects the fire and takes water from a rooftop cylindrical tank at the rate of 5500 liters per half an hour. One day a massive fire broke out at the building. A call to the fire brigade was made and it started moving toward the building with a speed of 60 km per hour. The fire brigade reaches to the building just before the rooftop water tank runs out of water. Find the distance traveled by the fire brigade if the rooftop tank has radius of 1 meter and height 1.75 meter. तब देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या है, वो सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म में है. सो रेडियस है 1 मीटर, ये रेडियस 1 मीटर है, हाइट कितनी है 1.75 मीटर है. ओके, सो नाउ डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द इफ द रूफटॉप टैंक हैज अ रेडियस ऑफ 1 मीटर एंड हाइट 1.75 मीटर. So now here, अब देखो, अब इस केस में सबसे पहले we have to find out the capacity, total volume of the tank. तो वॉल्यूम ये सिलेंडर है ना, तो वॉल्यूम इज गिवन बाय पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो पाई 22/7 into r that is 1 into 1 into H, 1.75 meter cube. So 1.75 0.25. अदर दिस इज मीटर क्यूब ना, और ये लीटर में है. And now all of you please remember 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liter. हमेशा याद रखना, this thing you must know. So ये क्या हो जाएगा 22 into 0.25 into 1000 लीटर. so ये कितनी कैपेसिटी हो गई आपको टोटल. So now here this one becomes 55,000 liter. So this one becomes 50, just hold on. So 5500 liter होगा. This one is so this is 5500 liter. Now you know. Other now here in this case takes water from the rooftop cylindrical tank at the rate of 5500 liter per half an hour. Other now here in this case ना 5500 liter volume है और 5500 liter ही water it is taking out in half an hour. And now here in this case what it is given that when the fire brigade reaches it was about to explode. तब देखो जैसे ही water empty हुआ after that it will explode. The about to explode means what? ये total 5500 liters it has kind of released. So 5500 water 5500 liter ही capacity, and this it can take out release 5500 liters of water in half an hour. And कितने time it will release this in half an hour? It means the fire brigade must have reached this in half an hour. तब half an hour में if the fire brigade has reached and the speed of the fire brigade is 60 km per hour, so in half an hour what distance this fire brigade would have covered? So distance कितना हो जाएगा? Distance will be your 30 किलोमीटर. देखो इजी क्वेश्चन है ये. जैसे ये कैलकुलेशन किया मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में किया 5500 लीटर ही है. या हाफ एन आवर में एम्प्टी करे, जैसे एम्प्टी करे एक्सप्लोड करेगा और फायर ब्रिगेड रीचेस व्हेन इट वाज अबाउट टू एक्सप्लोड. नाउ हियर इन दिस केस इट मींस कि वो 60 किलोमीटर कवर किया हाफ एन आवर में. बस हो गया क्वेश्चन. So now all of you, अब देखो now here this question, some time and work question. Some village workers are employed under NREGA to construct a pond in village and the wage rate is paid by the government is rupees 180 per worker per day. Wage is paid for the full day even if the work gets completed earlier in the day. 4 male and 6 female. 4 male plus 6 female can complete the work in 35 days. And while 9 male and 11 female, 9 male plus 11 female can complete the same work in 28 days. 28 days. Okay. Find the total wage paid by the government if 10 females were asked to complete the work. अब देखो अब इस केस में ना this question is a little bit lengthy. I will give you the hint. 4 male plus 6 female can complete the work in 35 days ना. तो 1 day में complete करना होगा तो how many male and female? 35 into 4 male plus 6 female. And 9 male plus 11 female can complete it in 28 days. So you have to complete in 1 day. So कितना? 28 into 9 male plus 11 female. These many male and female can complete the work in 1 day. These can also complete the work in 1 day. So equate कर दो. So just 20 men plus 30 female, male plus 30 female equals to 36 male plus 44 female. Okay. Now all of you, I think there is some kind of error here. 62nd question. So all of you, just 62nd question में क्या, there is some error here. So this 62nd question, there is some printing error, all of you. Okay. Next question number 63. अभी फिर से देखो 62 क्वेश्चन, हाँ जी कट सुनना ध्यान से जो भी रिकॉर्डिंग वाले हैं, ये 62 क्वेश्चन पे आके अब जो स्टेटमेंट दूंगा वो स्टेटमेंट बस कर लेना, एंड आफ्टर दैट now all of you we come to the question number 62. There was 62 question, there is some error. Okay, in question 4 male and 6 female can complete the work in 35 days while 9 male 11 female, because 35 days में 4 male and 6 female and 9 male 11 female can complete the same work in 28 days. So I think there is some printing error. So all of you, I'm just leaving this question. Okay, leaving this question because definitely you cannot solve, because 4 male plus 6 female into 35 when you'll do, and equal to 28 into 9 male plus 11 female. So the equation which you will get, that equation will be wrong. So here all of you just leave this question number 62. Study the following alphanumeric series carefully and answer the questions given below. This alphanumeric, which element is 9th to the right of element which is 17th from the right end? So 17th from the right end, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, 9th to the right, और 9th to the right, अब इसके right में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9th to the right 9 is there. Okay, this is rather easier question. Consider the following numbers. Okay, next question. All the digits in each of the given arranged in ascending order, which number becomes the highest? So देखो which number becomes the highest? So अब देखो ascending order में each of the digits are arranged in ascending order. So each of the digits are arranged in ascending order. Which one becomes the highest? So अब देखो now here in this case, अब आपको सबको अरेंज कर लो, जैसे 2 2 4 5 2 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 and 2 3 4 8. So which one is highest? 2 3 4 8. That is your S is highest. A paper is folded and cut in the following fashion. Okay, so choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure S. Although unfolded figure form of figure S. Now here in this case, all of you, these type of question, what is the best approach? Just for understanding, देखो पेपर लो, फोल्ड करो, folded, this one is folded, and now all of you अब here now if you'll make any changes, जैसे यहाँ पे exam में you can tear a small paper if you get such type of question and check. if you have any confusion, otherwise अगर common sense है ना, तो common sense all of you remember कि whenever page is folded and then you are the quarter of a page, if you are making any 3 changes now, so symmetry will be there. So these 3 changes will be there in this manner. Okay, these 3 changes will be there in this manner. So now all of you, what will be the answer? So answer will be option C. Answer will be option C. So you can see. So this way if you want you can solve it. This way you can solve it. Confirm करने के लिए, otherwise common sense apply करो. जब fold कर रहे हो ना, से करोगे तो ऐसे spread out हो जाएगा ना, everywhere in the same manner. Identify the missing figure in the following picture series. Missing figure in the following picture series. So now all of you identify the pattern. देखो, this man type circle and then this one, first position पे third position पे, again here third position, so it means it will be at the first position. Okay, then this triangle, now this triangle is turning, now this triangle is turning, how much it is turning? अब देखो ऐसे triangle था ना, now here in this case this triangle it has turned now from here in this manner, so anti-clockwise how much it has turned? Kind of 135 degree. So फिर again it will turn how much? In the same direction 135 degree. So now it will be facing, all of you, which direction? It will be facing east. Which direction it will be facing? East. बस याद रखना ये turn हुआ कितना direction. Now here from this one it has turned, this dot it has turned how much? That is 90 plus 45, 135 degree. Now it will further turn 135 degree. So triangle as if now this one will be in this form. Now next question is that of your coding decoding. So all of you, coding decoding here, just find out. Doctor, engineer, business, CA, scientist is written as butt, cut, put, hut, nut. Banking manager, trader, C is written as hut, rat, wet. CA, scientist, trader, astrologer is this one, banking written as nut, hat, rat. So now all of you here you have to just find out. अब देखो, अब ये कॉमन देखने लगो यार. Now here in this case first and second में डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, बिजनेस, सीए, साइंटिस्ट, बैंकिंग मैनेजर, ट्रेडर, सीए कॉमन है, सीए कॉमन. नाउ हियर व्हाट इज कॉमन? हट इज कॉमन. So now the code for CA will be hut. Then similarly first and third you just find out. So in this manner all of you just find out the code, what will be the code for each one. So now here in this case after solving it in the same manner you find out first and third में doctor, engineer, business, science, CA, scientist, CA already you know, scientist, trader, astrologer. So now scientist is common. What is common here? In this case but is common, so but हो गया. So for scientist but. So in this manner आप just you will get, for trader you get VET, vet. For CA hut you have already got, banking rat, manager vet, scientist but, astrologer bat, engineer nut, writer hat. So now 72nd question, what is the code for trader? So code for trader will be VET, vet, option A. What will be the code for engineer manager? So engineer code will is nut and manager code is vet. So nut, vet, that is answer will be option D. Answer will be option D. Now all of you here in this case question is how many times will the digit 0 appear while writing integers from 1 to 9999. So now here in this case you have to write down the integers from 1 to 9999. So total अब देखो, अब 1 to 9999 में समझ रहे हो ना, how many times will the digit 0 appear? So अब ये 4 डिजिट नंबर है, जैसे सिंगल डिजिट नंबर होंगे 1 to 9, फिर 10 to 99 3 डिजिट 2 डिजिट नंबर, 100 to 999 3 digit number, and 1000 to 9999 4 digit number. So these are the total numbers. Okay, now all of you, how many times each digit, अब जाने कि कितने टाइम जो है each digit can come. So now here in this case total number of digits. अब now all of you, total number of digits, total numbers equals to 1000, and आपको जितने नंबर हैं आपको 1000 and 4 digits are there in each of the numbers. So you have to find out the total number of digits in each case. अब 1 से लेके 9 तक 0 will appear, not even a single time. 10 से 99 तक, now 10 to 99, how many times 0 will be appearing? अब 10 to 99, अब देखो यहाँ पे just I will give you the hint, यहाँ पे 1 से 9 तक no time. 10 to 99, how many times this 0 will appear? So अब 0 में तो any number will not start with 0 ना. So इसमें तो 0 will be there only at the 10th digit. तो अब 10th digit पे how many times? 10th digit पे 10 से ले 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So how many times? 9 times. अब यहाँ पे अब देखो यही ध्यान से ही कॉन्सेप्ट है, समझो. 100 से 999 तक. Now 100 to 999, this will be appearing at the unit digit place at the and 10th digit place. आपको कहां से कहां तक अपीयर करेगा? Now it will appear at the unit digit place as well as the 10th digit place. अब देखो अब unit digit place पे 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 कितने टाइम्स? 9 टाइम्स. And then 10th digit place पे, now all of you, 10th digit place पे how many times? अब 10th digit place पे 100 में 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, ये कितना है? 10 into 100 to 109, total 10 times. So 100 में 10 times, 200 में 10 times, 300 में 10 times, 900 में 10 times. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So आपका कितना हो गया? 10 into 9. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे, now all of you exactly you do the calculation in the same manner कि 0 unit digit place पे, so unit digit place पे 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, तो ये 9 टाइम्स हो गया. एंड देन 10th डिजिट पे आप कैलकुलेट करो, सॉरी यूनिट डिजिट हो गया, फिर 10th डिजिट पे. सो 10th डिजिट यू सी इन व्हाट ऑल नंबर्स you will have. So 10th digit में, and then similarly in 100th digit. So now you have to count at the 10th digit as well as at the 100th digit. Okay. So अब देखो, अब यहाँ पे ना जैसे नंबर फ्रेम कर लो. Now this calculation you do it on your own. So अब जैसे 1000 है, फिर 1001, okay, 1002, नंबर 1003 अप टू 1009 ये नंबर. सो 0 हो गया 10th डिजिट पे. ऐसे 2000 टू 2009 0 हो गया 10th डिजिट पे. ओके, सो ये 10 टाइम्स. सो 10 into 9 एंड प्लस अब नाउ एट दी 100th डिजिट प्लेस. अब 100th डिजिट प्लेस पे, सो 100, 1000 टू 1099, all these numbers 1000 से लेके 1099, all these numbers they will have 2000 to 2099, all these numbers they will have 3000. So again just you see how many times they are have. So you just calculate and then you find out the overall how many times will the digit 0 appear. देखो याद रखना, हियर इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स डिजिट 0 विल अपीयर, 0 + 9 + this one, you just keep on adding, you will get the answer. Given x, y, z are 3 books, if z is read with x, then the number of chapter is increased by 60%. If y is read with z, the number of chapter is increased by 50%. Okay, arrange the books in the order of their number of chapters. अब देखो, now here in this case, अब z is read with x, z plus x करोगे, number of chapters is increased by 60%, यानी कि अब जो पहले था, now here in this case z is read with x, यानी कि x से पहले आपको whatever था 100%, तो अब वो 60% इंक्रीज हुआ, यानी एक तरह से 1.6x हो गया. So z will be equal to what? 0.6x. And if y is read with z, अब y is read with z, तो y is read with z, so y plus z will is equal to 0.5z, sorry 1.5z. So here now 1.5z minus z, so y will be equal to 0.5z. So now in this case y is here number of chapters, so z is less than x and y is greater than z. अरे इसको दोबारा कर लेना, अरे ये एडिट कर देना यहाँ पे थोड़ा, यहीं पे जैसे ही सॉल्व किया ना, एडिटिंग ध्यान से सुन लो, ये जैसे सॉल्व की है उसके बाद से अब तक डिलीट कर देना अब से. So z इक्वल्स टू 0.6x, यानी कि डेफिनेटली x क्या है, ग्रेटर देन z है, और y इक्वल्स टू 0.5z, यानी z इज ग्रेटर देन y. सो x ग्रेटर देन z, z ग्रेटर देन y, तो आंसर ऑप्शन ही हो गया. A man was walking around, next question, circular round of diameter. After 200 seconds, he was told that he had completed 70% of the one round of the ground. What was his speed? ये है डायमीटर है 112 मीटर, यानी रेडियस क्या हो गया 56 मीटर. सो 56 मीटर तो सरकमफरेंस 2 पाई आर या फिर पाई डी भी कह सकते हो, 2 इंटू पाई 22/7 इंटू 56 मीटर. So 44 into 8, so 352 मीटर. अब 352 मीटर, so 70% ही इसका कवर हुआ है. So distance he has covered 70%, so distance is 70/100 into 352 meter. And this is the distance in 200 सेकेंड, तो स्पीड क्या होगा 70 इंटू 352 अपॉन 100 इंटू 2, 176. So 176 into 7 upon 10, 200 है, सॉरी ये 200 है. So now here this one, so 176 into 7, 176 into 7, 1 2 3 2 upon 1000, तो ये क्या हो गया 1.232 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 1.232 मीटर पर सेकेंड, तो आ गया 1.232 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 77, if number is 46 is subtracted, then the result obtained is 8G1. h and g are integers here. If it is given that 8g1 is exactly divisible, then the only possible value of h is 9h7 में से you are subtracting 46, you are getting 8g1. अब 8g1 is divisible by 11. So 8g1 is divisible by 11, then here it means definitely g, this number is divisible by 11. So what will be the value of g? Your 9, because 8 plus 1 9 and 9 difference will be 0, number will be divisible. So now here in this case 9h7 minus 46 equals to 891. So 891 plus 46, 891 plus 46, so 1 plus 6 7 9 plus 4 13 3 1 carry. So h is 3 937. Easy question, simple calculation based question. Just you have to remember number is divisible by 11. So 8 plus 1 9, g will be 9, then only sum of the digits at odd places and even places difference will be 0, number will be divisible by 11. Given Vande Bharat crosses, next question, Rajdhani Express in 21.6 seconds when running in the same direction. Rajdhani Express crosses a pole in 4.32 seconds. Find the speed of Rajdhani Express if Vande Bharat Express is 150 meter long and runs at 180 km per hour. Okay. So now all of you here in this case, Vande Bharat Express crosses Rajdhani Express in 21.6 seconds. So time at 21.6 seconds, time is 21.6 seconds will be equal to, see, when two trains are crossing each other in the same direction, two trains are crossing each other in the same direction, so overtakes, okay, so will be equal to length of the train first, that is Vande Bharat is 150 plus I am taking the length of x upon sum of the speed. So sum of the speed, so sum of the speed, so here in this case the speed, अब देखो यहाँ पे ना, here speed 180 km per hour given, so 180 km per hour given, you convert this one in meter per second. So here in this case Vande Bharat Express is crossing. अब देखो जब भी Vande Bharat Express is crossing ना, so it means the speed of Vande Bharat is what? Faster. So Vande Bharat, so 180 km per hour, you just convert it in meter per second. So 180 km per hour will be how many meter per second? Into just multiply by 5 by 18 meter per second. So you get 50 meter per second upon 50 minus, I am taking the speed of the Rajdhani as y. Second t dash about Rajdhani 4.32 seconds. In 4.32 seconds, in this much time, now it crosses alone. So now here will be x upon now y length, because while crossing a pole the distance covered by train equals to length of its own as well as distance upon speed, so x by y. So you just solve it. Okay. Yeah. So find the speed of the Rajdhani Express, so you have to find out the speed, you just solve it to find out the speed. अब देखो इसमें ना क्वेश्चन में हिंट देखो, जैसे डिफरेंस है तो डिफरेंस ना ऑल ऑफ यू 5 15 30 45 ऐसे ही है, बिकॉज देन ओनली 30 रहेगा तो डिविजिबिलिटी इजी होगी, डिविजिबिलिटी विल बी इजियर, 5 से भी 18 से भी आपको कंपैरेटिवली क्या होता है, डिविजिबिलिटी विल बी इजियर. सो यू जस्ट कैलकुलेट, यू सॉल्व इट, यू कैलकुलेट, you will get this one as you will get here the speed in meter per second and then you convert it in kilometer per hour by multiplying by 18 by 5. Question number 79, 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards, then find the probability of getting one black face card and one red diamond card. तो in this question ना, अब यहाँ पे there is a kind of नहीं होता कि language में problem है कि one black face card नहीं होगा यहाँ पे ये question, it means one black color cards, क्योंकि options के according ना it means one black color card, क्योंकि देखो कार्ड्स के केस में जब हम फेस कार्ड टर्म यूज करते हैं ना, तो फेस कार्ड हम कहते हैं JQK को ही, बाकी पे फेस बना नहीं होता, JQK पे फेस बना होता है, इसलिए वी कॉल इट फेस कार्ड्स. सो 3 फेस कार्ड सब में होते हैं. ओके, ऑल 4 3 फेस कार्ड्स. सो आपको 3 फेस कार्ड्स है, लेकिन हियर इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर ब्लैक कलर कार्ड. ओके, ब्लैक कलर कार्ड. सो यहाँ पे ब्लैक कलर कार्ड है. So black color card, what is the probability of selecting black color card? So black color card आपको 26 होते हैं. So out of 52, 26 black color cards. In how many ways you can select? And one red diamond card. So red diamond card. So diamond card कितने होते हैं? 13 होते हैं. So 1 by वहाँ पे 1 by 13 है और इसकी 26 by your 52 है black cards की. So here there is error. यहाँ पे इसको you read it as your black color cards, क्योंकि face card का मतलब ही there is something else. Okay. Now this last question, given every third letter of the English alphabet is written in lower case, small case, except the positions which are divisible by 2 or 5. Every fifth letter is written in the lower case, small letters, except the positions which are divisible by 3. The remaining letters are capitalized. And how is the 9th month of the year written? I will give you the hint. This one you solve it on your own. कि जैसे आपको ABCDEF है ना, GHIJKLM तक ले लिया. Okay, for third letter of the English letter is written in the lower case, small letters, except which are divisible by 2 or 5. Every third letter, यानी कि ये third letter, देखो पहले third letter मार्क करो, जैसे third MNOP, ये 13, 14, 15 ये है. एक्सेप्ट द पोजिशंस विच आर डिविजिबल बाय 2 और 5. अब इसमें से लेकिन F इज 6th पोजीशन डिविजिबल है 2 से, L इज 12th पोजीशन डिविजिबल है 2 से, ये नहीं. O इज 15, इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 5, तो ये भी नहीं. सो ऐसे यानी कि 6th पोजीशन, 12th पोजीशन, 15th पोजीशन, 18th पोजीशन, 24th पोजीशन, दिस वन विल बी इन स्मॉल ओनली. तो वो क्या रहेंगे, आपको स्मॉल हो जाएंगे. जैसे ये स्मॉल हो गया, ये स्मॉल हुआ, ये स्मॉल हुआ. ओके, ये दोनों ऐसे. एंड एवरी फिफ्थ लेटर इज रिटन इन द लोअर केस. अब फिफ्थ लेटर यानी कि ये वाले E, J, O written in the lower case except the positions which are divisible by 5. So 5 and 3 both से divisible, तो सिर्फ 15th पोजीशन होगा. इन 26 तक 5 and 3 LCM is 15, so 26 अल्फाबेट होते हैं, only 15th पोजीशन. यानी O except O, these 5, 10, 15th पोजीशन है 20, 25, they will be written in small. So ये small हो गया, E हो गया, ये small हो गया, J हो गया, like this. The remaining letters are capitalized. ये small है, बाकी सब capital हैं. How is 9th month of the year written? यानी कि अब सितंबर को how you will write it. So just see which all letters will be greater, which all letters will be your lesser, and then you find out. Okay. So here in this case, अब देखो simple है, easy है कि S जो है 17th है ना. So आपको now here in this case, sorry, S is 19th, तो 19th है तो डेफिनेटली कैपिटल होगा ना. वो 3 से डिविजिबल है ना 5 से डिविजिबल है, तो कैपिटल ही होगा. देन सो A एंड C ऑप्शन चले गए. B एंड D में से S कैपिटल. अब P पे देख लो ना. P विल बी कैपिटल और स्मॉल. यहाँ पे देखा P क्या है, P इज कैपिटल ओनली, सो डायरेक्टली मार्क आंसर ऑप्शन D. सो ऑल ऑफ यू विद दिस योर डिस्कशन फॉर अनुभव 1 इज ओवर. सो आई होप अनुभव का अनुभव अच्छा रहा आप लोगों का. सो देखो आई विल से कि आपका भी अनुभव 2 है एंड अदर थिंग्स आर देयर. सो अब जस्ट रिवाइज द टेस्ट पेपर्स विच यू हैव गिवन एंड फ्रेश माइंड से एक बार प्रॉपर रिवीजन कर लो, फॉर्मूला वगैरह देख लो, सब कुछ अच्छे से हो जाएगा। कूल माइंड से रहो, रिलैक्स रहो और अपने स्ट्रेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग अटेम्प्ट करो। बट हाँ, टाइम फ्रेम लेके चलो, 2 आवर्स की जगह 1.5 आवर का टारगेट लेके चलो। सो एक टारगेट 1.5 आवर एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस इन 1.5 आवर, क्योंकि वो बफर रखना 20-25 मिनट्स बफर, कि डिपेंडिंग ऑन द क्वेश्चन पेपर, कि whichever section is tougher than the another section will be easier, so you can attempt more number of questions of that section. Is it clear? So all of you, all the very best. Okay, so keep smiling. Bye, take care.